Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajjad Hussain and back with another my awesome video. Friends, I hope you all guys are absolutely fine. Friends, today my topic is how to check out YouTube channel subscribers. Yes, today I'm gonna show you that how you can check out your subscribers. It means people who have subscribed your channel. So let's start. Friends, before start, as always, those people who have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon near subscribe button so that my all upcoming videos will easily notify to you. So let's start. Friends, there are two options you can check your subscribers. First option I am gonna show you. First log in to your YouTube account and click on the your channel icon. First click on your press on your channel, then click on the button customize channel. Now you can see there is a option setting button near subscribe button. Just click on it, then press on go to advanced setting. And now click on the community. Then click on subscribers. Below the button of comments, below the comments you can see here. First you click community, then click on the subscribers. Here is your subscribers, you can see all. Click on the load more. All your subscribers, you can see how many people subscribed your channel. This is the option, easy option. You can check your subscribers. Now I'm gonna show you second way to check out your subscribers. Click on your channel icon, then click on your channel. This is the easy step to check your subscribers. Now click on customize channel. Now you can see top right corner, you can see there is showing the numbers, subscriber numbers. Just click on it. This is the second easy option to check your subscribers. There are your subscribers, people who have subscribed your channel. I hope you people liked this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.